Hey, what's up guys, Nick here back with another quick iOS tip that could totally save your day. So Apple just dropped the iOS 26 RC right after the event, and the official release is only a couple of days away. Super exciting. But I know how it goes. Sometimes you update, try it out, and then realize, maybe it's a little buggy, maybe it's just not your vibe. I totally get it. That's why today, I'm going to show you how to safely downgrade from iOS 26 back to iOS 18 without losing your stuff, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you turn off Find My iPhone. Open your settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, then go into Find My and toggle it off. You'll need to enter your Apple ID password to confirm. This is crucial because if Find My is still on, you could get stuck on activation lock. Next, let's talk about backing up your data. Downgrading will erase everything on your phone, so this step is non-negotiable. If you've got plenty of iCloud space or iCloud Plus, I highly recommend doing a quick iCloud backup. That way, even if something goes wrong, all your photos, chats, and contacts are safely stored in the cloud. Now, for the easiest method, I usually go with ReiBoot. Plug your iPhone into your computer and open ReiBoot. Use it to back up your device first. This backup covers all your essentials like photos, contacts, and chats. The backup usually only takes a few minutes to finish, so just sit tight and let it run. Once the backup is done, now head back to the homepage and tap on iOS Update or Downgrade. From here, choose Downgrade. But listen carefully, downgrading will completely wipe your iPhone, so you gotta make sure you've backed up everything first. Once that's done and you're ready to roll, just hit Downgrade and let the software handle the rest. After the downgrade is successful, your phone will restart. You can choose to restore data from iCloud when setting up your new iPhone or restore the backup from ReiBoot after the setup is complete. Let me show you how to restore data from ReiBoot. Open ReiBoot, click Backup or Restore. Tap Data Restore, select your backed up file and proceed with the restoration. You will need to give it some time to finish. Once completed, all your data will be intact as it was before. Now just double check to see if all your data is back. In most cases, everything should be right there. Now let's cover the Finder method. This is the more manual route, and I'll be honest, it's a bit more involved and can be tricky if you're not careful, but it works fine once you know the steps. If you want to learn how to downgrade using an IPSW file, we'll show you the steps, but please note, we're not responsible for its safety or stability. Start by making a full backup of your iPhone and Finder while you're still on iOS 26. This is your safety net. Alright, the next step is super important. Head over to ips.me, pick your exact iPhone model, and download the iOS firmware you want to downgrade to. This file is basically the key to the whole downgrade process, so don't skip it. Once the download's done, open up Finder and select your iPhone from the sidebar. Hold down the Option key and click on Restore iPhone. A window will pop up, and that's where you choose the IPSW file you just downloaded. Finder will then kick off the downgrade process, and once it's finished, your iPhone will reboot and you'll be back on iOS 18. Here's an important detail. If your backup was made while on iOS 26, you'll need to tweak it a little so it can be restored properly. But you don't need this step when restoring with ReiBoot. On your Mac, open a Finder window, then go to your Library folder. From there, navigate to Application Support, then Mobile Sync, and finally Backup. Open the newest folder in that directory. In this subfolder, find the file called Info and open it with TextEdit. Use Command+F to find the word Product, replace the version number 26 with 18.5, and don't forget to save the file. Once that's done, go back to Finder, click Restore Backup, and select the backup you just modified. Finder will restore your iPhone with all your data intact. After the restart, all your apps, photos, messages, and other data will be right where you left them. And that's it! Whether you go with ReiBoot or the Finder method, you can safely roll back to iOS 18 and keep all your data intact. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more iPhone tips, and I'll see you in the next one.